हाय एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एक न्यू साउंड के बारे में, दैट इज च साउंड। च साउंड। So you need to look here. When C and H walk together, they make a new sound. And what is that? It's ch. Ch sound. Basically, C and H is a digraph. As you already know what are the digraphs, they are the two alphabets coming together and making a new sound. So here in this case, C and H come together and make a new sound, that is ch sound. So remember, always whenever you see C and H together, try to read it ch, ch. So now try to read some words beginning with ch sound. Ch. This is ch, e, p. Chip. Ch and ip. Chip. Ch, e, n. Chin. Ch, o, p. Chop. Ch, S, chess. Whenever you start teaching digraphs to kids, initially I would suggest कि आप जो 3 साउंड वर्ड होते हैं उनसे शुरू करिए, बिकॉज किंडरगार्टन के बच्चे CVC वर्ड्स पढ़ते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी वो 3 साउंड्स को ब्लेंड करना सीखते हैं. सो इट वुड बी ईजी फॉर देम टू ब्लेंड 3 साउंड. सो इनिशियली whenever you are planning to introduce digraph sound, first go with 3 sound word and later on you can try with bigger words. Now coming back, this is ch, at, chat. Next one is ch, you, chew. Ch, ek, check. Ch, ast, chest. Ch, ear, cheer. Next one is ch, eek, cheek. Ch, e, s, cheese. It's a magic word. Ch, a, chair, chair. Ch, a, cherry, cherry. Ch, a, n, chain. Ch, e, f, chief. Ch, unk, chunk. Ch, arm, charm. Now practice some words which end with ch sound. In, inch, inch. Peach, peach. Teach, teach. Beach, beach. Speech, speech. Rich, rich. Lunch, lunch. Bunch, bunch. Punch. This is for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.